Ever pondered the magic behind the classic cocktail Bloody Mary? This tantalizing mix of vodka, tomato juice, and spices has been a brunch favorite and hangover cure for decades. Today we're going to unravel the secrets of this crimson concoction, step by step. Begin by assembling the essential ingredients. For a single serving, you'll need 2 ounces of vodka, 4 ounces of tomato juice, a 1/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, and 4 dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Add a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, 2 dashes of hot sauce, and 1 stick of celery for garnish. A lemon wedge is a nice touch too. Now, slide a pint glass or a highball glass in front of you. Fill it to the brim with ice cubes, ensuring it's as cold as a winter's morning. Pour the vodka over the ice, letting it slide down the cubes. Watch as the vodka takes on a shimmering sheen, preparing itself to be the base of this legendary cocktail. Next, it's time to usher in the tomato juice. Pour it in, letting it mingle with the vodka. The ruby red liquid will begin to swirl and mix, creating a beautiful palette of reds and whites. Your cocktail is beginning to take shape, but it's not a Bloody Mary yet. Squeeze in the fresh lemon juice, adding a tart contrast to the sweet and savory elements. The Worcestershire sauce is next, contributing a complex blend of flavors, including tangy, sweet, and umami. Now brace yourself for the heat. Add the hot sauce, salt, and pepper, adjusting to your personal preference. Some like it hot, others not so much. Whatever your choice, make sure you stir everything together, blending all the flavors into a harmonious symphony. Finally, garnish with a celery stick and a lemon wedge, adding a touch of green and a hint of citrus to this classic cocktail. And there you have it, a perfect Bloody Mary, ready to be sipped and savored. To summarize, start with a glass full of ice, pour in the vodka, followed by the tomato juice. Add the lemon juice and Worcestershire sauce, then spice it up with hot sauce, salt, and pepper. Stir everything together and finish with a celery stick and a lemon wedge for garnish. A classic Bloody Mary, made right in your own home. So next time you're craving a cocktail, why not whip up a Bloody Mary and enjoy the blend of flavors that make this drink a timeless classic?